Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and happy Monday. Hope you all had an amazing start to the brand new work week. I do apologize for being behind the camera again. My current camera is giving me a lot of trouble, and I'm having trouble connecting my new camera to my computer. So I'm having a little bit of camera trouble, but hopefully everything will be resolved somewhat as we head into my next video coming to you on Tuesday, considering I will be leaving on Wednesday. But let's take a look at an incredible shelf cloud that we saw just a few hours ago from our Skycam located on top of Ripley's Aquarium at Broadway at the beach, as that massive line of thunderstorms just plowed through our area. Warm air rising at ahead of the thunderstorm, cold air sinking as the thunderstorm approaches. So that boundary layer in between those two air masses is where we get condensation to form, and we have a cloud that forms from there that looks like a shelf. So an incredible shelf cloud, and thankfully, considering how many thunderstorms we get here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, we are actually fortunate enough to see quite a bit of these throughout the summertime. So an amazing shelf cloud, to say the least. Your future radar as we head into the day tomorrow. This particular model run shows a few showers and storms across the PD and on the weather belt in your morning hours. I'm not really buying that. I think that we are going to be staying mostly dry when it comes to rainfall for the majority of your morning and also right on through your lunch hour as well. But as we head into the afternoon hours past your lunchtime, that's when we're going to be tapping into that sea breeze and the daytime heating. And we're still dealing with a frontal boundary, so that is going to be helping to lift all this heat and humidity into our atmosphere, force that to condense and eventually form some showers and thunderstorms. Not a washout by any means, but it's just going to be one of those days where we will have that chance for a few isolated showers and storms for your afternoon. Everything that is out there should be winding down as we head into your overnight hours. As far as your high temperatures go for your day tomorrow, very seasonable for this time of year, mid to upper 80s, with heat indexes probably in the mid to upper 90s under probably sunny skies. A few afternoon showers likely. Otherwise, it'll be partly sunny with winds out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. A little bit more drier air will be arriving in our area come on Wednesday, and that will only lead to a very small chance of rain as we head into your hump day. High temperatures very, very similar to what we're going to be seeing tomorrow. Mid to upper 90s. Heat index is probably in the low to mid 100s under probably sunny skies. Very small chances of rain considering how much dry air will be affecting us, but considering it is summertime, we will still have that very small chance of an isolated shower or storm. Winds will be out of the east at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Your rain chances over the next several days, very seasonable for this time of year for your Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Our next frontal boundary will be arriving on Friday, and that will bring us our best chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms as well. Otherwise, it'll be our typical summertime pattern here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Let's take a look at the tropics. That should say Invest 96L, not Invest 95L. Regardless of that, while it does have a 50-50 shot of becoming a named storm over the next 5 days, it is heading out to sea and is no threat to any land masses at all. And neither is that other other invest that only has about a 10% chance of development. The reason for that, a massive trough of low pressure impacting the entire eastern seaboard, driving anything and everything out to sea far away from any land masses. So bottom line, nothing to worry about in the tropics. You just look at your extended 10-day forecast first off for our coastal communities. Very seasonable for this time of year, about a 20 to 30% chance of rain for your Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, with our best chance of rain coming on Friday as that next frontal boundary arrives in our area. High temperatures over the next several days, very seasonable for this time of year in the mid to upper 80s, lower 90s as we head into next week. Overnight lows falling into the 70s. And here's a look at your forecast. It is as you head further inland. Once again, very seasonable for this time of year. Probably sunny skies with a few isolated showers and storms possible for your afternoon. Our best chance of rain coming on Friday. Otherwise, it'll be probably sunny. Highs very normal for this time of year in the mid to upper 80s and lower 90s, potentially the mid 90s as we head into next week. Overnight lows falling into the upper 60s and low to mid 70s. Keep it here at Lena's Weather for all of the latest information.